So in this little program we are going to create a form that will submit data to itself. So I'll refresh this page. Oh, hold on. If I go to the page form to self.php and I put in stuff here, looking at the address bar, if I click on submit, you can see there's a variable called choice with value stuff and the submit, which submit. Okay, let's have a look at the back end. So in the HTML we have got a form which has an action that sends it to nowhere, sends it back to itself because there's nowhere else specified, and it's using the get method, so we can see the variable in the address bar. We've got the label, and then we've given the form, which is a text form, a name, call it choice. So when we looked at that page we saw choice and stuff was what I typed in the box. If I write Jim here and I submit that, we can see that choice has now got the value Jim. Okay, so the next stage is we are going to do some PHP. We are going to put some PHP in, and we're going to, I'm just going to get another example. We are going to look at this syntax. Where is it? Variable that like that. Okay. So I create a variable called Basu, and it's equal to the what was it called? It was called choice. Get choice, and we are going to echo that variable. You of course noticed that I hadn't put in a $, there, and now your choice is stuff. Oh, I'll just tidy that up. So I'll put new things in there, and then I've captured new things. So let's just review that. I have got a form which submits stuff to itself using the get verb. It submits a submit button and a value labeled choice with the name choice. Well, labeled is what you see. And then I catch. I use the get. I use this to capture what is sent to the form variable and stick it into a variable called Basu, and then I echo it out. And then I can now, if Basu is equal to JAWS, then echo really scary film. Oops. Okay, and the reason why it wasn't working was because my test wasn't in brackets. So let's try that again. Jaws, really scary film. Bob, Jaws, really scary film. Okay.